Hello, my friends. Welcome on BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. We are going to draw Elsa and Snowman. At first, I draw her eyes, her eyelash, eyebrow, and her smile. Then I draw her face. I draw her hair.
She creates a snowman reaching to the sky. Oh, Elsa and her snowman, friends forevermore. Playing in the snow, oh, what fun's in store. Building dreams together, magic fills the air. Elsa and her snowman, such a perfect pair.
I draw her neck.
Gleam. Elsa and her snowman.
Then I draw her shoulder and her dress.
With a carrot nose and a smile so wide, they laugh and they sing side by side. Oh, Elsa and her snowman, friends forevermore.
I draw her boots.
Playing in the snow, oh, what fun's in store. Building dreams together, magic fills
I draw her arms.
Elsa and her snowman, such a perfect pair.
I draw her hand.
Oh,
I draw
Elsa
some details
and
of her dress.
snowman, friends forevermore. Playing in the snow.
Let's
oh,
complete
what
her
fun's in
hair.
store. Building dreams together, magic fills the air. Elsa and her snowman.
And finally,
such a
I'm going to give her a
perfect
little
pair.
cape at the back.
They skate across the ice.
Look,
under
how cute is
northern
Elsa.
lights.
Then I'm going to
Twirling
draw
and
a cute
spinning
snowman.
through the
I
starry
draw his
night.
eyes,
With Olaf the snowman.
his
Funny and
nose.
sweet. Their adventures
I draw his face.
together are a snowy tree. Oh, Elsa and her snowman.
I draw his
friends
smiling.
forevermore.
I draw his
Playing
hair.
in the snow, oh, what fun's in store. Building dreams together, magic fills the air.
I draw his body.
Elsa and her snowman, such a perfect pair. Through the stormy weather, through the bright sunshine, Elsa and her snowman, everything's just fine.
I draw his arms.
With a heart so warm and a touch so cool, they dance through the winter breaker, on us through the winter. On a snowy morning, as the sun peeks through, we build a snowy castle in a world
Yellow.
so new. With every frosty moment, every flake so bright, they fill the days with laughter from morning till night. Oh, Elsa and her snowman,
Light blue.
friends forevermore. Playing in the snow, oh, what fun's in store. Building dreams together, magic fills the
Dark
air.
blue.
Elsa and her snowman, such a perfect pair. So when the
Light
snow
blue.
is falling and the world's aglow, think of Elsa and her snowman in the land of snow. With a In the land of Arendelle, where the snowflakes fall, lives a queen named Elsa, standing proud and tall. With a wave of her hand and a twinkle
White.
in her eye, she creates a snowman reaching to the sky. Oh, Elsa and her snowman, friends forevermore.
Purple.
Playing in the snow.
White.
Oh, what fun's in store. Building dreams together, magic fills the air.
Orange.
Elsa and her
Thanks for watching.
Such a perfect pair. In the frosty forest, where the icicles gleam. Elsa and a snowman, they make the